A YouTuber is an individual who produces videos for the video sharing website YouTube. The first YouTuber was Judd Kareem, who created his YouTube channel on April 23, 2005. YouTubers can earn revenue from Google AdSense. Additionally, they can supplement their income through affiliate links, merchandising, and third-party memberships using platforms such as Patreon. Popular channels have garnered corporate sponsors, who pay to be included in the videos. Influential YouTubers are frequently described as micro-celebrities. Since YouTube is widely conceived as a bottom-up social media video platform, micro-celebrities do not appear to be involved with the established and commercial system of celebrity culture, but rather appear self-governed and independent. This appearance, in turn, leads to YouTubers being seen as more relatable and authentic, also fostered by the direct connection between artist and viewer using the medium of YouTube.
Ten Principles of Economics. How markets work. Principles of firm behavior. Principles of income distribution and frontiers of economics. Principles of national economy. How money and exchange rates work. How economic fluctuations and economic policy work. Translated into 6 languages and exported to the world. The people of the world enjoy economics. In the past, when producing an advertisement, marketers were concerned about who will be the best superstar to promote our brand. However, creators come to their mind first nowadays. A creator, which was coined from the creator, refers to a person who produces new content for his/her own video broadcast. YouTube was founded in 2005 by 2 men in their 20s, who were employees of an online payment platform. They created the platform to share videos. The current market leaders are YouTubers who have gained popularity from their videos on the YouTube platform. The power of these YouTubers was stronger than anyone could imagine. Since YouTube was launched in December 2008, it has gained tremendous popularity with 10 million visitors and 100 million views per day. Today, YouTube has become a dominant platform, with over 2 billion users per month, and 1/4 of the world's population is using the platform. A creator of a YouTube video that meets a certain standard can place ads on the video clip, and a share of the advertising revenue is paid to the creator based on the number of views on the clip. This is the background story of famous YouTubers who make millions of profits. In 2017, a 7-year-old boy living in the US was named the highest-earning YouTuber of the year. He ran a toy review channel, Ryan's Toys Review, and shared videos of himself unboxing and playing with new toys. His channel had over 17.47 million subscribers at one point, and he earned $22 million in 2017. The growth of independent media like YouTube and the penetration of smartphones have expanded the size of the market that one can deal with. As the cost of media production has gone down, we value the ideas more than before. Anyone with a novel idea can earn as much as a superstar. To understand the very high income enjoyed by actors and professional sports players, we must examine the special features of the markets in which they sell their services. Superstars arise in markets that have 2 characteristics. If one is the best actor around, then everyone will want to see his next movie. Seeing twice as many movies of an actor half as talented is not a good substitute. Moreover, it is possible for everyone to enjoy a performance by the actor because it is easy to make multiple copies of a film. The actor can provide his service to millions of people simultaneously. Similarly, because tennis matches are broadcast on television, millions of fans can enjoy the extraordinary athletic skills of the player. This is the reason why there are no superstar carpenters and mechanics. Other things being equal, everyone prefers to employ the best carpenter, but a carpenter, unlike a movie actor, can provide his services to only a limited number of customers. Although the best carpenter will be able to command a somewhat higher wage than the average carpenter will still be able to earn a good living.